having a good time at the Venetian Palazzo at the pool area. Just check it out.
And free chairs.
Oh yeah, you get free chairs, and you get to pick any amount of towels you want. You just lay it on the chair, and you just get your sun on. You really love it. This is very enjoyable. And you get to get tan and just chill. You can order drinks or water. You got cool music going in the background. Very tropical, very super cool.
Pool season in Las Vegas goes from sometime in March to sometime in October, depending on the weather. I would call your hotel directly to confirm the dates. At the Venetian and the Palazzo, the pool area and most of the chairs are free. Here I'll review some of the pricing if you'd like to reserve the area for yourself. The Venetian and the Palazzo share a pool. They are adjacent resorts. You can use either pool, whichever resort you're staying at. The pool hours are from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily. Check with hotel, hours may vary. They have 10 different pools spread across 5 acres, and guests staying in either resort have access to both pool decks. As you can see here on the map, there are seats that are free, so we've gotten there as late as 1 o'clock and still gotten plenty of free seating. Or you can book a chair starting at $50 per person as long as you arrive by 12 o'clock. That just depends on what your options are. Just keep in mind, if you book these, you have to arrive by 12 o'clock. The cabanas start at $500. This day bed here with a canopy, you get that for $200. That would have 4 guest capacity. You can see here you can click on the map and decide which ones are good for you depending on what your budget is. Over here, if you got the cabanas here, also they have their own separate pool for each cabana. For the plunge pools for $800 up to 12 people. And just for these regular lounge chairs here, they are first come, first serve. But we've been to the Venetian Palazzo many times and never had a problem finding a seat somewhere. And you do get towels complimentary. There's towels out there, so you don't have to bring towels from your room. You just want to bring your room key. There's no outside food or drink, but there is food and drink you can buy when you're there at the pool area. Comment below if you go to the pool when you stay in Vegas and what your favorite pool to go to is.
So check it out. If you come down to the Venetian Palazzo at the pool area, it's really fun and relaxing. Very enjoyable. Very chill pool vibe. Super cool. Thank you everybody for watching. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got more videos coming your way from beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. Bye.